coming through, boy. Good. Hell storm. This thing's passing now. Worst of it, about over.
Yo, see that?
10 minutes, bro.
Oh, I can't believe how hard it's raining, man.
Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the
Fuck
dust.
you, Leo.
Another one bites the dust.
It'll record all you're saying and everything while you're doing that. Fuck you again. It's raining and we missed the hail. We should have got the hail. Hail, Julio wasn't paying attention. Didn't get his phone out catching the hail. It's still storming like a motherfucker. Can't see. It's about fast now.
Hell yeah.
Commentary. You got
You always say that and then it gets stronger.
Don't yell at me, Julio. Damn it. I told you that earlier. Shit.
This ain't even Kentucky yet, is it?
The hell no.
Dang.
We way off, bro. Hell, we still got down 2 hours to go. Praise God. I might come tell them I'll be a little bit later. We got caught in a hell storm.